Powerfully clean the toughest messes quickly and easily with the new BISSELL SpotClean HydroSteam, the most powerful spot clean yet. SpotClean HydroSteam is the first and only portable deep cleaner with patented HydroSteam technology, proven to clean up to 50% better. Use powerful suction along with BISSELL formula and superheated steam combined to wash and extract the toughest set-in stains across your carpets, rugs, fabric upholstery, auto interiors, and more. Choose from a variety of cleaning tools and 3 cleaning modes to tackle messes all around the home. Steam Wash Max mode for tough, sticky and oily messes. Steam mode for refreshing upholstery, clothes, and even cleaning tile and grout. And Wash mode for enzyme-based cleaning on stains like pet accidents. The 1.9 litre dual tank system keeps the clean and dirty water separate. And cleanup is a breeze with the HydroRinse hose cleaning tool and easy to empty dirt tank. All attachments easily pull apart for a quick cleanup. Plus, the new blow molded hose allows for added flexibility and easy storage. Experience the best in BISSELL's portable deep cleaning range with the new SpotClean HydroSteam, available at leading retailers and online at bissell.com.au, bissell.co.nz.